There is no denying to the fact that the best doppelganger of the celebrities are none other than their offspring. It's all in the genes, can't be truer for the celebrities' creeds, who are a spitting image of their fathers. The resemblance between them is so outstanding. The good-looking fathers have indeed passed it down to their sons. And let's face it, genius work. Here's a list of Bollywood celebrities' sons who have grown up to look exactly like their fathers. And yes, to get more updates, please subscribe Dream Angel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Ibrahim Ali Khan and Saif Ali Khan. Ibrahim has been in the news for his uncanny resemblance with daddy, Saif. Ibrahim is an exemplary of reality meets surf. Karan Deol and Sunny Deol. The grown-up Karan is now all set to follow his father's footsteps and make his debut in the industry. Aryan Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. Like father, like son, this proverb perfectly goes for Shah Rukh Khan and his 20-year-old son Aryan Khan. Tiger Shroff and Jackie Shroff. Wondering where Tiger got his good looks from? Tiger Shroff got his sexiness from his cool dad, Jackie Shroff. Harshvardhan Kapoor and Anil Kapoor. He is one of the newest star kids in B-Town and he can rock the beard look just like his dad, and we can tell them apart. Hrithik Roshan and Rakesh Roshan. With those glowing complexion, glossy mane, well-etched features and rippling muscles to boot. Just add a moustache to Hrithik Roshan's face. You will find yourself staring at his father, Rakesh Roshan. Farhan Akhtar and Javed Akhtar. Just like his multi-talented father, Javed Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar too is a multi-talented blessing to the industry. Ranbir Kapoor and Rishi Kapoor. While Rishi Kapoor has the boy next door in the 80s, Ranbir Kapoor has always been every girl's crush. Sanjay Dutt and Sunil Dutt. Sanjay not only got the strength to fight his battles from his father, but also got those charming good looks from him. Abhishek Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan. If not the extraordinary success, Junior Abhishek got the physical attributes of being tall, dark and handsome on point from his legendary pa, Amitabh Bachchan. It's uncanny, isn't it? Like father, like son. Now would you also agree with the saying that the apple doesn't fall very far off the tree? In case we missed any further son too, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe Dream Angel.